Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle of this additional. In this additional of today's newspaper of Monday, March the 29th, 2021. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. A binary puzzle number 2550. Yes. Oh, yes. 2550. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an A by A binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, in a row or in a column, we have a column here, in a row, we have we have 4 ones in a row and also 4 O's. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. And then double O, here one, there one. We have here now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have here now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have here now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. So if I count the O's, first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this should be a 1. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Double one. Here no, there no. Then between 2 O's comes a 1. Now we have 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one here no, there no. Double O here one, there one. Double one here no, there no. 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Then I need to compare. I think I need to compare. All right. This row I cannot compare. How about? Yeah. Double one here. Double O here. We have a double O here. No. 101. No, I cannot compare. So I need to. Ay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stupid. Overlooked. Double one here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Double one here, no, there, no. 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Finish in 5 minutes. 3 minutes. 4 minutes now. And I like this one. Yes, without any comparing. But I've overlooked these 2 double one. Yeah. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you very soon with the last puzzle, a tectonic one with 4 stars, aka Sudoku in Japanese. See you then. Bye bye for now.